In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go back on Weebly. Whether you've made a change to your site that you want to reverse or you're simply experimenting, knowing how to navigate back to a previous version can be incredibly useful. So let's walk through the process together step by step. First, you'll need to access the Square dashboard. Square and Weebly are interconnected, and this is where your Weebly site data is managed. The best way to start is by navigating to the free appointment scheduling software and booking app page by Square. This is important because this page is linked to many features, including Weebly. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, which should be at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. For those who already have an account, simply enter your email and password to continue. After you've successfully logged in, you'll want to head over to your Square dashboard. This is a centralized hub where you can manage different aspects of your account. Navigating through your dashboard might seem overwhelming at first, but with a little bit of inspection, you'll find your way. On the sidebar, you should see various options. Now, to revisit your Weebly accounts, locate the overview section specific to Weebly. This is where you can manage your individual sites. Once you're on the Weebly overview page, it's time to focus on your specific site. You'll see a list of your sites and you'll need to select the one you wish to modify or revert changes on. Look for the Edit Site button associated with the site you're interested in. Clicking this will bring you into the site editor. The edit mode is where you design and modify your site. If you've made some recent changes you want to undo, look at the top corner of your editor for an undo button. This is usually a backwards arrow symbol similar to what you'd find in word processing applications. Clicking undo will revert the most recent changes you've made to your site. If you need to revert multiple changes, you can continue clicking until you've undone everything you want. Always ensure to preview your site afterwards to confirm that it's back to how you want it. This tool is straightforward but impactful for keeping your site looking exactly as you envision. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated the process of going back on Weebly. This demonstrates how you can easily reverse edits and maintain control over the appearance and functionality of your site. Remember, it's a handy tool to ensure your website always reflects your latest vision. Thanks for watching and happy editing.